Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you about symbology options in Arc Pro. So I already have a map opened and I have some data here. This is just some Washington census data for what looks like a couple counties in northwestern Washington. So we're going to click on this and you can scroll down to the symbology and click on that. I already have it open right here on this side to over here, but you can also get it when you click on this feature layer will pop up, and so you have appearance, and the symbology tab will also be over here. So this is open, and so right here is where you pick how you want to symbolize your data. So right now it's in single symbol, meaning that all the data is just represented in one single color. We can also symbolize it by unique values. So for example, if you go down to population, this is saying that every little block in there is going to have its own single population, and so none of them are the same. So it's going to come up with all these different colors and values that represent the different total populations within this area. So, but that can get a little messy. So I'm going to go to graduated colors. So that is going to break it up into segments based on the amount or total population. And there's different type of methods. There's a description here. Let me move this so you guys can see it a little bit better. So there's natural breaks, and it gives you a little description of when it would be best to use that. And most of the time you'll be asked to do it in a certain type of method. So, and then you can also pick the amount of classes. So right now it's just set at 5. We can make it 10. So as you can see, that kind of changes the look of the data. You can do this if you want. We can even go down to 3. Oh, well, let's change it back to population. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like there's a lot more yellow, but if we, let's say, add back to 10, there's more colors involved here because you opened the amount of classes that you have for that. There's also some other symbolizations that you can use depending on the type of your data that you have. In this color scheme, there's going to be a whole bunch of different types that you can choose from. Since we're in graduated colors, it kind of goes like this. You can also format your own color scheme. You can click on this and you can remove it. You can remove that, make the change better, or you can just add one. And you can click here and you can add another. If you wanted the white to be on this end and represent more or less, you would just click this button and that switches it for you. You can also make it transparent in terms of your map. And you can also save this style if you wanted. And then you could do a discrete color scheme. So it's going to be little blocks. Okay, let me move that back there. And yeah, that is just a basic overview of the different kinds of symbology that you can use. And